Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has now reacted to our support area, which is great. This is an absolute expected reaction that we see here at the moment. Because we talked about a few things in previous videos. We talked about the move down could be complete. We could count even on the micro level all the waves we needed to count. So this is one where really the low was defined very well. We reacted to the golden ratio, and I highlighted to you that a break above the descending wedge would be a strong indication that at least a local low has been made, and you can see how relevant that trend line was. And it's getting interesting. Let's take a look at volume. Actually, I would say volume is probably, it's still fairly low compared to the history, but certainly a spike from what we've seen here before. But I'm on the 4-hour chart, not sure if we see anything on the daily. Daily is still very low, so that's not really doing much. But volume is always deceptive in crypto. But yeah, certainly good to see that movement. In the previous video, made it just yesterday, I said that either the low is in now, or we should see a larger bounce in a wave 4, ideally into this area between $20.76 and $21.37. So I think this so far was correct and spot on, that we would expect a larger bounce. What we now need to watch out for, obviously, is if we get a reaction in this resistance area. At the moment, I'm still skeptical about the fact that an overall low has been made in wave 2, but it's of course possible at some point. These will just start to rally, as you know, and that can happen very quickly in crypto. Now, if it really starts on a Saturday, I'm a bit unsure about. Therefore, focus would be on this area. All eyes need to be on this area. What I ultimately want to see is either a bearish reaction here at $20.76, which would be the ideal target for a fourth wave, or the 50% retracement. Or if we break through it, then I would like to see 5 waves up, because ultimately, even though, we have resistance here and everything, a break above that would make this wave 4 very unlikely. A break above it would put more weight onto the idea that we could have ultimately already completed in our trend reversal area, this overall correction. I'd be happy with that. But I need to see those 5 waves. So ultimately, we've got a possible wave 1, we've got a possible wave 2, now a possible wave 3. I need to see a 4 and a 5. At the moment, I only see 3 waves up, okay? And 3 waves into resistance are not enough confirmation that we have bottomed. This is only a green candle. This is not enough. We need to see 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and ideally a break above resistance to confirm we have done the correction. We've completed. So certainly nice to see that one of the counts where we indeed had all the waves complete, that the wave, or that Solana is now reacting. But as I said, it could still make one more low in the blue count. Therefore, all eyes need to be on the resistance area. And as soon as I see 5 waves up, and I don't see that at the moment, we have more confirmation, additional confirmation that a low could have been made. Now, this is the overall count. You know that if you've watched the previous videos, a 1-2 setup here, basically off the 10th of March low, a wave 1 to the upside, then a wave W to the downside, an X wave to the upside, and a Y wave down, where we had all the waves complete. What I want to do, I want to just give you a target for the larger third wave to the upside, assuming we have bottomed, but again, it's not confirmed. But if we have, then the target for the third wave would be the 1.618 extension or higher, at least $31.60. Now, on the way to the upside, and again, this could simply be the blue wave 4. I'm very skeptical about a weekend pump. Very skeptical. But hey, it's done everything it needed to do. So it is allowed to rally now, no problem. What it would need to break, about the very relevant level that it needs to break. First of all, 23.30 is the wave 2 high. And then even more important is 26.82. This is the level. If broken, I think we can really talk about something more bullish, but it's got a bit of work to do to get there. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.